Good morning, everybody. Check it out. It is a beautiful morning. We're gonna come sit out here on this nice Chevy bench real quick. But check this out. Today, we're gonna give you a little glimpse of the damages we got down in Moab with the Suburban. But the real reason that you're probably gonna watch this video here is we are finally going to reveal the color that we painted the Blazer. Actually, people saw it on Facebook, but we're gonna go pick it up and we're gonna see the whole thing today. So stay tuned because we're gonna go pick it up right now. All right, folks. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's sitting outside right now. It's all, is it dirty? Wow. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, she's still dirty. I need to clean the windows and all that good stuff. Dang. All right, folks. So before we reveal the Blazer, I want to go over a little kind of damage report from when we were in Moab with the Suburban. So basically, I need to refigure some stuff out with the leaf spring setup here. I need to put a shim in. I need to put a shim in it for this top plate because those are straight. So I need to get this straightened out. Had a few issues with this. The leaf springs, you can see they're kind of starting to, they were kind of moving on me. So I need to tighten that down. Another thing, obviously, I've got some body mounts that are shot. And this one actually just comes completely out of here. So when I'm flexing, this thing comes completely off the frame, about 5 or 6 inches. Other than that, I mean, I need to get some rock sliders built for this. That's pretty sturdy, but I put some dents in here. I obviously put some dents in there. I'll try to get that straightened out. And then I'm gonna get some sort of rock sliders built on this bad boy because it needs rock sliders. But other than that, I developed a leak in my transfer case. I don't know what the deal is, whether it's a seal, but it started leaking pretty good while we were out there. Nothing much here. I got a little damage on this little thing for smashing the rock. Other than that, the bumper got some pretty good digs in on it. The gas tank here, those, I don't know when those happened, but I think there was a few little dings on the gas tank, so I got to keep an eye on that pretty good. But most of it's just some scratches right here on the old bumper. Now this, I did that down in Little Moab, so that's really nothing new. My rear seal, I found out, is leaking on this. So somewhere up in there, I got a seal or an axle or something. I don't know, not an axle, but just one of the seals. So it's kind of leaking a little gear oil out there. So yeah, I need to fix that as well. And then looks like I put another little kind of scratch right there. But other than that, that is literally about the only thing as far as any sort of damage on this here Suburban. What do you do? So we're gonna get a few things looked at on this thing, and hopefully we'll be ready to go by, I don't know, here shortly. We got to see what it does, because it's coming upon winter time and I do snow removal, and if it doesn't snow, I don't make much money. So I gotta have a little bit of money for bills. So we're good. Got some money put away. If it doesn't snow, we'll be fine. But I don't want to go just spending a bunch of money fixing stuff right now until I figure out how we're gonna be for winter. So as far as the sliders go on that stuff, I think we're good. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. The main thing I want to focus on is seeing why the transfer case is leaking and fixing that rear seal. And then body mounts, not a humongous issue, but I'm gonna fix the body mounts, and then we're gonna fix whatever issue we got right here in this front spring. So all right, folks, there she is. That turned out really good. Now I just gotta shine the wheels and tires, get everything all prettied up. But I still gotta put the passenger side mirror on. Because I needed to replace one of these things on here. Need to replace one of those. Put the mirror on. It was stripped out. But look at that thing. That is sweet. Oh, I'm excited. That turned out good. So just a quick spray job, but it works. It'll work for now. Give me some time to work on some of the other stuff. But damn, that just turned out really good. I don't know how that turns up on camera, but that is really good. So anyways, there you have it. That is the Blazer. That's what we've been waiting for. We've been painting it. We changed the color a little bit because, well, I got a good deal on the color, so we changed it. I don't care. But anyways, there's the Suburban. Oh, look at that thing. That thing just looks good. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Just turned out nice. So anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna do some work on it. I gotta get some shocks. I've got to get the crossover steering done on it, and I've got to do a few other things. But for now, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We're gonna do some more stuff, like work on that. And I still got that other farm truck and the crew cab. Stay tuned. Crew cab. We're gonna do some stuff with it. But anyways, smile, go down, check out some stuff on Amazon, check out some Bucked Up, go get you some LED bulbs for your vehicles. Links are below. Helps me out, helps me make more content. And yeah, there's the Jeep. I gotta fix a antifreeze leak on that. But anyways, peace.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way